Tomorrow is the day, 24 hours of Daytona, probably the season highlight for me as well. My first time in a prototype.
I think we have an enormous group of people which have been involved from day zero on this project. And this is not only us racing here, there is a big group at home. Some people which left already. I think will be a heavy car this weekend because we have these all people which have been involved. They will be driving with us, so let's try to make them proud on Sunday.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Good luck this weekend. Hey, when you look back on where you were 3 months ago, 6 months ago, I mean, the progress is crazy. It's been a lot of work. So, but hopefully this is the reward, right? That's what you do it for.
Rennen ist die beste Erprobung, sage ich jetzt mal. Wobei du bist halt da, hier in den USA ist das allererste Rennen. Wenn du jetzt, sag ich mal, ein kleines Rennen vorhättest, würdest bestimmt noch ein paar Sachen finden, die du aussortieren könntest. Und dann könntest du, sag ich mal, auf das große könnte es gehen, aber das ist halt hier nicht so.
Final session before the race starts, obviously. It's time to get the show on the road.
Scary on cold tires at the moment, but it's the same for everyone. I think I've seen at least one of every manufacturer almost go off. Or
we did see the Acura go off.
Yeah, they did that today even. So
yeah,
it's super sketchy. That's why we have the soft low temperature and the soft high temperature tire.
I think we need to go on wet tires in the morning early, huh? Then you have no risk of spinning.
Yeah.
It heats up quickly, you sort it. High tire pressures. Yeah, the tread's already fucked. Deep.
But that's also the best part about Daytona.
Outlaps. Yeah.
part of the fun.
What's that?
Which one is this? The Bobinator, like 9,000?
This is the Bob 9000. It's a new one, yeah.
It looks like a new one.
All right, guys, I think we're ready, so please help yourselves.
This is always so nice with the tradition barbecue on Friday.
Love you guys.
This is my favorite part of the weekend, Bobby.
Sure, you get your utensils.
We're so proud to represent BMW here in North America. So lucky to have such great drivers. So lucky to have such great supporters. So I just want to say welcome to the Daytona 24 Hours 2023. We have reason to believe that we're prepared, and tomorrow is the day. So I just want to thank you all for being here. God bless, and enjoy the 24 hours of Daytona.
That's it.
thanks, sir. Thank you for the effort. Thanks for the effort.
Pepito, you're the best. Don't tell it to the others.
Good morning, everyone. I have to say, I have goosebumps, but not because it's cold outside, because of what we see here. We have at the end 9 cars from 4 different manufacturers in 7 tents. I think now it gets difficult to understand, but I just want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you to what we achieved.
We're starting a new era for motorsports here. No, more complex, more electric, more electronics. All the best. Thank you.
So here we are, boys.
Hello, everyone. Hi, guys.
So we are ready to go racing.
Yes.
Now
There is one very important question. Can we win?
Yes,
we can.
We can. Ah, it was a slow motion.
No, good.
Und es war vielleicht sogar gut, dass wir so wenig Zeit hatten. Weil dadurch ist dieses Team so eng zusammengewachsen und jeder wusste, wir müssen das schaffen und wir müssen das Unmögliche möglich machen. Und dann hast du einen ganz anderen Spirit und alle sind 24/7 dabei. Das ist einfach ein Traum. Egal ob Mechaniker, Designer, Ingenieur, Tester, Fahrer, alle. Das ist ein Traum. Und wenn du den Fahrern in die Augen schaust, dann siehst du dieses Lächeln, auch am Mundwinkel. Du siehst diesen Spirit und du sagst, okay, ich schaue dir in die Augen und ich weiß, es wird gut.
Jetzt haben wir da.
Ja, es ist irre. Also es ist wirklich Gänsehaut-Feeling hier vor der Kulisse. Ich meine, es ist absolut Wahnsinn. Also ich bin fast sprachlos, muss ich ganz ehrlich sagen. Und ich merke auch, dass jeder sich freut und jeder einfach nur noch happy ist, dass es jetzt losgeht. Und jetzt geht's los. Jetzt geben wir Gas.
Right here, guys. Follow me, okay? Follow me.
Enjoy yourself and have a great time. Thanks for coming out.
Schön ohne. Good luck. All the best, mate. All the best. Still, brother. Thank you, man. Good luck. This guy here. Actually, is there a way to get this to Marcus?
Guys, before we start, thank you very much for having me here. Let's have a good race. Let's all stay safe. I'm very happy to be with you.
Take a deep breath, everybody. This has been a long time coming. Many of us never thought we'd see it in our lifetime. Convergence is real, and the 24-hour starts right now.
Green flag, green flag.
All right, I want you to box this lap. Box.
Stall on the entry and I can't get it going again. But I'm just about in there.
Yeah, see if you can drive in on the e-motor.
Suspected an NGU damage.
This is Nick Yellowly's car going back into the paddock garage.
Sorry, one more time. What was the failure?
MGU, I think.
MGU?
It's been quite a common part for a lot of the manufacturers, but it's almost a lottery when it goes or if it goes. I haven't spoke to the guys enough to know whether we're going to change or what we're going to change, but I heard it'll be either 1 to 2 hours or 3 to 4, depending on what they have to change. So, unfortunately, it just got us first. It looks like the Porsche guys are running around a bit now as well. I think at some point everyone could have issues, so yeah, if we can fix it faster, then you never know still. It's a long old race.
Split the MGU from the MCU.
Like it's open, but it's still like I cannot completely put it aside.
Ja.
Wir haben alles getauscht. In der Hoffnung, dass jetzt alles gut ist. Das haben wir auch trainiert. Ist ja nicht das erste Mal. Weil ja beim Testen Probleme waren, auch bei anderen Herstellern und deswegen. Die 25 fährt bitte. Fahren mit der 25 und dann eine Theorie schnell zu zeigen.
Da jetzt der Porsche ist in der Box da, ja? Schaut schwer nach einem MGU-Schaden aus, weil es die Batterie austauscht.
Chica, quando c'è prosciutto?
Oh la la, full house here.
For me, we have a big problem with the front blocks. You cannot modulate the brake at all. You need to come off so early, and then you go into this understeer because you don't keep the brake into the corner.
Daytona! Get some of that! Get some of that heat!
All right, pit this lap. Driver change to Sheldon. Safety car lights are out. We're going green this time.
The 61st Rolex 24 Hours of Daytona and the first of the GTP era is won by MSR Acura.
All right, checker flag, buddy. Checker flag. Thanks for bringing it home.
Good start. Good start. Good start. Good start.
Jetzt könnt ihr gleich weitermachen.
Ein riesen Meilenstein, würde ich sagen, Tick in the Box. Wir haben wirklich 2 Autos hier am Start gehabt, wir haben 2 Autos hier ins Ziel gebracht. Ich meine, du siehst, jeder ist jetzt wirklich happy und ich meine, da können wirklich alle stolz drauf sein. Und ich habe jetzt das Glück gehabt, in der 18-monatigen Reise wenigstens 12 Monate mitzumachen und das war mir schon ein Riesenvergnügen.
I think this is a good starting point to build something bigger for the future, but I don't wake up in the morning to come to the track to be average. I come to win, so we have to work.
Yeah.
That's the throttle.